Holiday Inn is going green.
But first, it is Wednesday, which means we are getting a look at this week's grocery deals. Our consumer expert, Amy Davis, is here with those.
Good morning. I know we checked them all. I do every Wednesday morning. And I can tell you we found the best deals this week at H-E-B. So boneless beef shoulder roast or Texas-style beef ribs are $1.87 a pound beginning today. Extra large cantaloupes are 67 cents each. And if your child needs a new lunchbox for school, if you buy one at H-E-B, $6 or more, you get almost $14 in free food to fill it. You get juice boxes, Cliff Kid Z-bars, Cheez-It snack packs, Nestle fun-size candy bars, and some other stuff in there. So that's a pretty good deal.
That is a good deal.
At Aldi, red grapes are 79 cents a pound, and a 3-pound bag of mandarin oranges there is $2.49. Holiday Inn is ditching travel-sized tubes of shampoo, conditioner, and bath gels in all of its hotel rooms by 2021. The hotel chain's parent company, Intercontinental Group, says it's part of a larger effort to go green and cut down on waste. So those roughly 200 million miniature-sized bottles per year will be replaced by bulk-sized toiletries in each room. The Federal Trade Commission is warning consumers this morning about websites masquerading as the official Equifax website. So we shared a site on Click to Houston last week where you can check to see if you're going to get $125 on that Equifax data breach settlement. That is the correct site that we shared, but the FTC says other scam sites have popped up trying to trick consumers into giving up their personal information and or pay to file a claim. Some people might be receiving phone calls saying they'll help you file a claim. That's bogus. Filing a claim is always free. You don't have to pay anything. We still have that real Equifax link up on Click to Houston and on my personal Facebook page from last week, so I'll refresh it after this show.
All right, Amy.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.